Over 2500 years ago, when the world was still trying to understand the human body, Acharya Sushruta was already performing complex surgical procedures. From rhinoplasty to cataract surgeries, from wound management to concept of anatomical dissection, Sushruta's brilliance shines through every chapter of his work, the legendary Sushruta Samhita. This video demonstrates the Ayurvedic approach to earlobe repair, lobuloplasty. As described by Acharya Sushruta, we have followed the procedures of Utpala Bhedaka and Nemi Sandhanaka, which are considered among the earliest documented techniques in the history of plastic surgery. On the occasion of Sushruta Jayanti, the National Plastic Surgery Day, we proudly share this surgical procedure to honor the rich legacy of Acharya Sushruta, the father of surgery and the father of plastic surgery.